Research paradigms and philosophy. Positivism, interpretivism, and pragmatism explained with examples. If you don't understand research paradigms and philosophy, you may choose the wrong research method, even with a strong research topic. Welcome. In this video, you will learn what research philosophy is, what a research paradigm means, and how the three major paradigms, positivism, interpretivism, and pragmatism, guide how research is designed and conducted. By the end of this video, you'll know which paradigm fits your study and why. Research philosophy refers to the beliefs and assumptions about what knowledge is, how knowledge is created, and how research should be conducted. A research paradigm is a worldview. It shapes how researchers see reality, what they consider valid evidence, and which research methods they choose. In simple terms, your paradigm influences how you ask research questions, how you collect data, and how you interpret results. Let's begin with positivism. Positivism assumes that reality is objective and exists independently of the researcher. Truth can be measured, observed, and quantified. Positivist researchers believe that facts are separate from values, and knowledge comes from empirical observation and statistical analysis. This paradigm is closely linked to quantitative research. Common methods include surveys, experiments, statistical tests, and regression analysis. For example, a researcher might study whether training increases employee productivity by measuring output before and after training. The focus is on numbers, hypothesis testing, and generalization. Choose positivism when your goal is to test hypotheses, measure relationships, predict outcomes, or generalize results to a larger population. Next, let's talk about interpretivism. Interpretivism assumes that reality is subjective and socially constructed. Different people experience the world in different ways. Interpretivist researchers believe that meaning matters more than measurement, and understanding human experience is central. This paradigm is closely linked to qualitative research. Common methods include in-depth interviews, focus group discussions, participant observation, and thematic analysis. For example, a researcher might explore how employees experience workplace motivation through interviews. Here, there is no single objective truth. Instead, the goal is to understand multiple perspectives. Choose interpretivism when your study aims to explore meanings, understand experiences, explain social processes, or study context in depth. Now let's combine both worlds with pragmatism. Pragmatism focuses on what works to answer the research question. It does not commit to a single view of reality. Pragmatists believe that truth is practical, methods are tools, and the research question comes first. Pragmatism is the philosophical foundation of mixed methods research. For example, a survey shows low job satisfaction. Interviews then explain why job satisfaction is low. Quantitative data provides patterns, while qualitative data provides explanations. Choose pragmatism when your research question requires both numbers and narratives. One method alone is not sufficient, or your study aims to inform practice and policy. So, how do you choose the right paradigm for your research? Ask yourself three key questions. First, do I believe reality is objective and measurable? Choose positivism. Second, do I believe reality is subjective and socially constructed? Choose interpretivism. Third, do I care more about solving a real-world problem than defending a single philosophy? Choose pragmatism. Always remember, the research question drives the paradigm, and the paradigm drives the method. Positivism gives you measurement. Interpretivism gives you meaning. Pragmatism gives you flexibility. Understanding research paradigms strengthens your study and justifies your methodological choices. If this lesson helped you understand research better, save this video so you can revisit it. Drop your questions in the comments, share it with a classmate, and follow Kora's Coach for more research-focused lessons.